checking out my video on the road up to Buffalo, New York, where I am going to go to Anchor Bar and Grill and try original wings. But on the way up, I stopped and spent the night in Pittsburgh and went to the Primanti Bros restaurant on at the Market Squares, little touristy center town, downtown Pittsburgh. Actually really cool. Had a good time in Pittsburgh, very friendly. Actually, I thought it was a fairly clean city too. Pretty cool. Some good bars down there, great hotels. Really good time. Had a fun time in Pittsburgh. And back on the highway today, about an hour outside of Pittsburgh, I saw a road sign for another Primanti Brothers restaurant. I think I'm saying that the right way. When I went there last night, I had wings and also a Iron City Light, which Iron City is kind of like the cheap Pilsner beer of Pittsburgh. And so I tried their Iron City Light, which was on special. They have really good beer specials every day. I have to say the Iron City Light was pretty good. Anyway, so I got wings there last night. The wings were really good. I just got their traditional buffalo flavor just in preparation for going to Buffalo, New York. I thought they were pretty good. But it looked like their fries were one of their famous, like, staple things for those Primanti Brothers. Anyway, I'll get to the point. I just decided to pull over and get some fries. But that's how good the restaurant is. Great staff and all that too. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, give Primanti Brothers a try. And I'm gonna, these fries, great, fresh, cut, whole, like potato cut fries. They're freaking awesome. And I noticed they really like this Red Devil sauce. And I've tried this before back in the day. Never reviewed it though. Now, it's hard to tell the color on this red plate, but it does have that really, I mean, it's really good to see the color on the bottle. I really like this stuff. I kind of forgot about it. I hadn't seen it in a long time. I'm definitely going to pick up a bottle for my home because it's a lot more truly of what I really would call a pepper sauce other than just a straight hot sauce. Really good cayenne flavor. I think it's absolutely perfect with ketchup and fresh cut fries like these. So anyway, 100% thumbs up on this Trappey's Red Devil Cayenne Pepper Sauce. 100% thumbs up for Primanti Bros and these fries. Absolutely, anytime I'm in this area and coming through Pittsburgh, again, I will absolutely stop at Primanti Bros and get a beer and some fries. Good beer specials, good bar food. Anyway, hit that thumbs up button on the video if you like this kind of stuff. Just traveling, doing that nomad life. Subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. It feels good. And have a